So hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. I have just took my bath now and did shampoo, and it is so hot outside. So that day we could not go to the market because the rain did not stop. So yesterday we went to the market with our papa, and we also went to temple.
This is one of the most popular temples of our city, and it is called Durga Bari of Old Delhi Market. This temple is the abode of my most favorite gods Hanuman ji, Ram Sita, Durga Maiya and Shiv ji. Since it was Tuesday, so we came to this temple to have some chat with Hanuman ji and submit our new orders and prayers to him and give him some bribe in the form of little donations. The most gorgeous Durga Puja of our city happens in this temple, and this temple area is vibrant with lights and music throughout the year. Coming to this temple every single time gives you a very strong puja vibe. Since camera is not allowed in the temples, so Papa was shooting us from the window when we were doing puja.
We also did some grocery shopping. So finally, the rain stopped and we went to the market with Papa. We bought all these things. Here is muri. Mom was craving for muri makha for a long time. Muri makha uh, is you add chopped onions, green chilies, mustard oil and a little bit navratan mix, and you make a mixture and it's so delicious. I will show you the recipe. 2 kilos of maida for making cakes, Horlicks for jia. Sometimes I also take, and these are chow chow. We were bored eating Maggie, so Papa bought this. We prefer sachets than Horlicks jars because every time we bring a jar, it becomes solid before we can finish it. And we bought these noodles because they go very good with winter veggies, and market is loaded with winter veggies like cauliflower, capsicum and carrots. So they will be very delicious with this. Next, we bought some McVitie's digestive cookies. These are favorite in our house. And one Maryland biscuit, some chips, a turmeric powder packet and 2 mustard oil. So this was our shopping. Here I am making the muri makha. I have chopped the onions and the green chilies. Now I will add the muri. And now I will add little mustard oil. And now I will add the navratan mixture. And now I will mix it all together. And my muri makha is ready. So yummy. And our breakfast was leftover rajma masala, puris and a yummy chutney. and tell me in the comments how I'm looking. I thought that I will do some photo shoot outside, but look at the terrace.
The sun is burning. Here, mom is making a spicy tomato onion chutney. Here are chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, green chili, dried red chili, some cloves of garlic, and little tamarind pulp. She blended them all together. She heated some mustard seeds in the kadhai and added some black mustard seeds, and next she poured the blended mixture and added salt and turmeric powder. And the chutney is ready. Here I am rolling the puris for our breakfast. Here Papa is frying them. So this is our breakfast spread: puris, Punjabi rajma masala, and spicy tomato onion chutney. This combination was awesome. Please try this at home. Jia is enjoying her breakfast. Papa always wants something sweet with his breakfast, and he loves puri and honey combo. So he took some honey. Puri and honey is my favorite also.
And for lunch, mom made a tasty mixed veg dish and muli pakoras, and we had them with dal and rice.
Here I am making the batter for muli pakoras: chopped green chili, a pinch of hing, muli greens, turmeric powder, salt and besan. I mix this all with the grated muli. The mulis are releasing a lots of water, so I am draining the water out of the muli. I sieved some besan on top of the muli and mixing them together. Now it's time to fry the pakoras. They were smelling amazing. Here Here, mom is making the mixed veg dish. She is chopping the chow chow that we call squash, white radish, tomatoes, onions. Here, she has chopped all the veggies: tomatoes, onions, potatoes, squash, white radish, and the muli greens. Here, mom added cumin seeds in the hot mustard oil, and then she added the tomatoes and onions. And also whole green chilies. Next, she added the powdered spices: coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt, and cumin seed powder. Also very little red chili powder. She is cooking the masalas with the tomatoes to make a thick paste. When the oil separated from the masala, she added the chopped veggies. This mixed veg dish was so yummy. It was a burst of flavors.
And for evening snacks, mom made a walnut cake.
Jia always insists that she wants to mix the batter. The batter was almost done, so I added the walnuts. And here Jia is mixing it again.
Here we are making a walnut cake. This is Butter Super Premium and it is 250 rupees for this little bottle. But the moment I open the cap, the whole house fills with the aroma of butter. I have already added butter in the batter, but it is not giving out any smell, so I am going to add this. I am adding only 1 drop. The buttery aroma has totally overpowered every other smell in our house.
Our cake is ready, and it's an eggless cake.
And lastly, if you like our videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you get the notification whenever we upload a new video. And I'm looking for Pooja.